what's up, YouTube? I have not been cooking for you guys lately, but I am about to cook today. So today I'm going to make potato salad and shrimp. And I haven't really been cooking, and I'm making pasta as well. I really have not been cooking, I'm not going to lie, but I'm getting ready to saute some shrimps. I need a better setup though for y'all though. Honest truth, I need to invest in get my stuff right. So I asked my daughter to put the stuff up, and of course she wanted to get out that door to go swimming, so of course she didn't put it up correctly. So boom, I always gotta come behind her and do something because A, she didn't do it correctly. That's any typical child. I brought her this little cup. I don't know where all my mugs walked off at. This just don't make no damn sense. This Temple Junior Hospital cup. I hate that cup. I don't even know why we still got it. But yeah. I'm about to make some pasta real quick. My burner wasn't working. That bitch wasn't getting hot. Let's hope that bitch get hot. No. Oh, it's too like completely loose or wet. I'm so sick of this goddamn stove. They got to give me a new stove, for real. I can't keep going through this with this stove. Nope. Okay, yeah. Oh, man. Y'all, I'm finna get ready to make a cooking video. I'm gonna have to pause this video and come back. It's your girl Queen back with another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.